Hey everyone, I want to tell you about a unique project we just finished up. Usually we operate in the Tennessee area, within the states kind of around this section, but we got a special request straight from a supplier. Garland called us up and said, hey, you guys are really qualified to install this roofing product. Can you come help us out to get this project done? The roof was in Port Allegheny, Pennsylvania. Yeah, way outside of Sweet Tea Country. Now the crazy thing about this town is that it rains a ton and the guys were only able to work a couple days a week because of the weather. There was also a full-blown remodel happening at the project, which made for a complicated schedule. The guys not only installed the new roof, but also fixed up curbs, repaired damaged areas, and an all-around great job. We're super glad to have them back in town. We're working on a project here in the Tennessee area now. Give us a call. Let us know if we can help you with any of your roofing or waterproofing needs. Oh, and be sure to ask us about our Shield program to make sure your roof is always working great and you are staying safe. Have a great week.